Ah, hi there. Oh, darn it. Hang on, I'll be right back. So, welcome to the apocalypse. I guess we better have some food. Oh, my hair is just nuts today. You'll pardon me if I seem a little different today. I'm very unhappy. Yeah, you see, many years ago there was a phenomenon called a telethon. Jerry's Kids, some of you may know it as. And what it amounted to is, for my younger viewers, society would ignore children with disabilities. And then gentlemen such as Jerry Lewis would put on these great big televised things, television, which back then amounted to a bunch of drunk guys telling stupid jokes. Yeah, the Jerry Lewis telethon. Anytime you feel like life is good, you should just look that up. And see children with mental disabilities beg for money on television. Yeah, that's not so good. Well, the thing is, that was in the past, you know? Pardon me, I got some onions cooking. What a surprise, onions cooking in this house. A couple of cloves of mashed garlic. Yeah, I addressed that already. Getting a little overdone. Let's cool things off a little bit with some oil. Anyway, so, yeah, Jerry Lewis would parade these children with physical disabilities. By the way, that's about half an onion sliced thin on a mandolin. Now, because I had a leftover, I'm going to use some bottled basil-flavored pasta sauce. We'll give that in there. Yeah, cooking for one is a tough thing to do these days. So, most of that, of course, remained in the jar. Just add a little red wine and get that out of there. So anyway, tonight on television, there's going to be a new version of that. Jerry Lewis telethon. By the way, this pan's on medium low. And what I'm doing is roasting the onions rather than sauteing them. Getting a much richer flavor that way. Ah, I haven't been in most of this video. Okay. So in the pan, I got some very thinly sliced onions that have been roasting for about half an hour. A couple of cloves of garlic. And now a bit of leftover pasta sauce. We're going to let that come up to heat. Yeah, the thing is, this is actually a long cooking dish. Kind of unusual for this channel. So yeah, tonight we got a recreation of the Jerry Lewis telethon, in which they're going to parade this mentally disabled guy named Ronald Dump. I don't know, I kind of lost track of this guy. All I know is he talks and he talks and he talks, and he never says anything that makes any sense. Anyway, he's going to be on TV tonight saying that he was elected president in 2020. And, you know, it's kind of like the 50,000th time we've heard this kind of thing. And it's like, Jesus, dude, give me a break. You lost in 2020. No amount of autism or whatever the fuck you've got is going to make you into a winner. We love you. We appreciate you for who you are. But just give this shit up. So anyway, baking dish. Wow. Been so busy belly aching, I haven't talked about food. So tonight we're making eggplant. Eggplant and tomato and onion casserole. Yeah, I'm smearing a little bit of butter all over my ceramic baking dish. Earlier in the day, I took an eggplant, cut it into slices, salted it and drained it between layers of paper towels. Yeah, could you imagine listening to me for that long a time? So anyway, butter, butter, butter. Got some leftover. Let's just leave that where it is. Okay. Got some eggplants. So like I said, I salted this, put it between layers of paper towels, and put a weight on it. And drained all that icky, acidic eggplant juice out of it. So what I'm going to do, as soon as that cools down, I'm not going to make you watch me, is very simply put in a layer of eggplants. Yay. Yes, I salted it, drained it, floured it, fried it in oil. Let it cool between layers of paper towels. And here it is. Yippee, right? Oh, shocking, eggplant. Now, in between layers, I'm going to put shredded cheddar cheese. Yay, I got a lot of that too. And then we'll top that with the tomato sauce, onions, and garlic. And then we'll sprinkle cheese and maybe some panko on top and call that dinner. That with some bread and some wine. And I'm out of lettuce, so I won't be having a salad with that. So that's it. I'm sorry I'm so grumpy about yet another disabled person being paraded around on TV for whatever. But yeah, try this recipe. I'll list the details in the description, of course. And yeah, this is kind of like eggplant parmesan. It's kind of like a Greek eggplant casserole, but it's from Eastern Europe. Maybe I should throw some sour cream in there. Anyway, that's it. Thank you. Be sure to subscribe. And mouse ahoy. Goodbye.